Hello everybody, my name is Vodka. I am in class 4GO, Newton 5 Primary and Secondary School. And today I will tell you the story Wizard and Cat from chapter 1 to chapter 72. And now let's start the story from chapter 1. Wizard and Cat. Speed up 1. Once upon a time. Once upon a time, there was a young wizard. His name was Tom. Tom studied hard at wizard school. But he was not good at magic. Tom, turn me into a tree, said Master Wizard. Tom waved his wand. Poof! Master Wizard turned into a bee. The other wizard laughed. Master Wizard sighed. Tell me again, Tom. Why do you want to be a wizard? I want to use magic to help people, said Tom. That's a fine wish, Tom, said Master. But you must practice a lot. One day, a trumpet blew. It was a messenger from the palace. Here it is, cried the messenger. The king needs a new royal wizard. This school may send one student to try out. Maybe I can try out, thought Tom. I could use magic to help the whole kingdom. Later, Tom found Master Wizard. Master, may I try out? Tom asked. The other wizard laughed. You can't be the royal wizard, said Water. You are no good at magic. We'll see, Tom, Master said kindly. Hooray! Tom cheered. He waved his wand by mistake. Poof! You fool! Water cried. Tom looked up. The ceiling has a big hole. Oops, said Tom.